Uh, Hi, I'm back once again with something different. So, I was given a challenge by somebody, and I don't know to name them. They gave me this piece of dead, discarded, seized caliper from one of their bike, which they recently. I had actually told them that it is. I can save their 2400 rupees, but without even realizing that this is possible. So let's begin. So, how to save some money and rescue your or save, repair your caliper? Very simple. This was seized, absolutely seized. There was nothing to recover. But what I did is I bought it and I used one simple thing, which is basically heated this with tinted at, and after that I left it for a while. Then it did not work. Then what I did is I used a pot and I heated it, boiled it, left it in the boiled water for 15 minutes, and then removed it from the stove. Later, what I did is I filled this with the brake fluid dot 4, or you can use dot 5, dot 3, anything. And I have a spare master here. I connected everything to this, locked, removed the air and locked it. Then later, what I did was I placed three spanners in between, like this, and started pumping the lever. And slowly, after 25 to 30 pumps, there was a slight hope and a sign of these pistons coming out. But since you can see that the pistons have been beaten up earlier by the mechanic, and this is how it got seized. And I have a new set of disc pistons, so which I'm going to fix it. And this caliper is mine now, so I'm going to use it and test it and I'll show it to the owner, who had actually challenged me, saying that it will never be, it is beyond recovery. So it is very simple. If you can follow what I said, you can save some of your money. Thank you.